Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Lin Kai from Solar Farm Renewal REIT, and I'm deeply honored to present our investment scheme here. Based on the booming solar transaction market in China, we construct a REIT to buy and renew badly managed solar farms and combine it with under-panel plantation. There are three innovative points here. Firstly, there would be a discount if we buy and renew solar farms instead of directly construct new ones. Secondly, it is packaged in a REIT, and the REIT recently received approval and support from Chinese government. Lastly, the combination with under-panel plantation generates extra profit and can further benefit the climate. So let's begin from a macro perspective. In 2019, a once significant Chinese solar company sold its 11 badly managed solar farms in northwestern China for just 0.14 pound per watt. Attracted by such discounted price, the buyer took the offer, renewed, and transformed them into profitable assets. Actually, similar stories are happening every year. After feed-in tariff in Chinese solar industry phased out in 2018, some solar farms suffered from poor financial condition. Although the grid parity has been achieved, these solar farms cannot afford to renew panels. Therefore, many of them are sold in discounted price. Besides from the favorable market factor, Chinese government has also approved infrastructure rate recently and committed to supporting clean energy. As we can see from the chart, some infrastructure rates will be listed in two major Chinese exchanges soon in this year. In China, REIT should be constructed with ABS, and we have covered this requirement in our detailed deal structure. Since REIT is quite new to China, we believe that it will raise considerable interest from investors. Therefore, we believe that it is the right time for us to establish our solar farm renewal REIT. Moreover, we take a step further. Apart from the traditional electricity part, we also incorporate the under-panel plantation to utilize the idle space to generate extra profit. Adding these two parts together, we expect with a scale of 750 megawatts, we can achieve an NPV over 200 million pounds and an IRR over 14%. Besides, our scheme also has considerable non-financial positive impacts. By replacing coal-fired power with solar energy, we expect to reduce the emission of carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Since we aim to acquire solar farms mainly in northwestern China, we believe our under-panel plantation can combat the desertification there by increasing the vegetation coverage and decreasing annual evaporation. We can also benefit regional communities by providing jobs and developing ecological tourism. Finally, solar farm renewal rate is never a mirage, but a highly feasible scheme. The feasibility can be proved by the booming market, favorable policy, and a solid profitability. Furthermore, our scheme has great potential to be promoted across both China and worldwide. Although the northwestern China accounts for a large portion of Chinese solar industry, the eastern and southern areas still have large capacity and trading markets. Also, if we take a look at the world map here, we can find that some large countries still have protection for their solar industries. The subsidy will finally phase out in the future, just like in China. And at that time, we can expect more similar stories performed worldwide. Thank you all for listening.